Introducing our new JW-007 stainless steel red straight lance. Made in Germany, now standard on Jetwave's range of professional and industrial pressure cleaners and water jetting systems. Manufactured from high quality materials for corrosion resistance, the goal of this Jetwave upgrade is to offer more ergonomic high pressure cleaning ability, reduce any upward recoil force and the operator fatigue, and increase the quality of the standard Jetwave G2 professional cleaning accessories. This lance has a strong red overmolded 400mm insulated grip around the 1/4 inch 2mm wall thickness stainless steel tube rated to 400 bar. The inlet is the J5500K snap tail for fast accessory changeover. The outlet is the high quality and smooth stainless steel JW245 snap coupling, again for easier and faster accessory changeover, but at the end of the lance. This keeps our accessory range more compact and easier for the operator to carry. The max pressure is 5080 PSI or 350 bar. The max temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. Total length is 1000mm. Now available on all Jetwave G2 professional products as a standard inclusion or to buy separately. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you on the next video.